Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make increases to granny stitch rows. This will be a quick and easy tutorial where I'll share with you my tips and tricks to make nice edges while increasing and how I stagger these increases to make a neat project overall. As always, keep watching for this quick tutorial and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like these. So here's where we start with our granny stitch rows already made. I've gone ahead and started a new row and made my first 3 double crochets. We will continue by making another set of granny stitches into the next space. Into this space, we will make our increase. To do this increase, we'll chain 2 and in the same space, we double crochet 3 again. As you can see, I've done my first increase and now I will continue making granny stitches across until the end of the row. For this next row, I will increase on the opposite side. So I will repeat again the row of increases that I just made in the second granny stitch space. So I'll make a granny stitch, chain 2, and another set of granny stitches. This staggering of increases helps keep my increases even on each side. When you reach the increase, you just place a granny stitch into the chain 2 space. Your edges will be nice and neat as you continue the increases, and you will see how the sides flow out nicely. I also opt to increase on each side once and make a line of no increases in the next row. And then I repeat these 3 rows until I reach the desired increases. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestions on a tutorial you'd like to see next, let me know in the comments down below. Until next time, bye!